Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log out of Dark War Survival. If you ever need to log out of Dark War Survival, it's a pretty simple process. Start by heading to your Survivor profile in the top left corner of your screen, then open your account settings. From here, you can choose between switching accounts, managing characters, or even changing your email triggers a 120-day cooldown period before you can change it again, but it will also log you out from your current one. Another way to log out is by switching to another existing account. Doing this automatically transfers your game session to that profile. You can also manage characters if you have multiple survivors linked to your account. Now, if you go to Settings and scroll under General, you'll find two more options: Log out of other devices, which disconnects your account from other logged in devices, and Delete account, which permanently removes your data if that's what you want. And that's how you log out of Dark War Survival quickly and safely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.